Hey there, YouTube friends. I think my mother is addicted to QVC because she keeps sending us stuff in the mail. But this last item she sent us was pretty nifty. It's a WeatherX Emergency Radio. And it has a lot of nifty features. It has an AM FM radio with a weather band on it. It has a flashlight. It has an emergency siren. It has a temperature gauge. It has a lantern. And the best part about this is you have different options to power it. It comes with an adapter, so you can plug it into a wall outlet. And if you don't have electricity, you could use 3 AA batteries. And if you don't have batteries, you can go outside, and it has a solar panel right here. And if it's an overcast day or it's nighttime, you have a crank here. And what you do is you turn the crank like this, and it powers the internal battery. You can see that red light going on as I power it, as I crank it rather. Okay, so right now there's no charge to it, but let's just do a little experiment here. I'll turn the flashlight on, all right, and if I turn the crank, you'll see the flashlight works. All right. So that's neat. All right. Now if I crank it long enough, it'll charge the internal battery, and it'll just power without having to crank it. But it also has a USB charger, so that's handy. And you have the option to use right here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it there. You could use AA batteries, or you could switch to the rechargeable battery. Right? So that little bit of a crank I gave it, I'm on the rechargeable battery now, and you see the flashlight works. Okay. Now let me see if I could tune in to the radio. Again, I'm just going to use the internal battery that I was cranking it with like this. Okay, so we see that works. All right, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flick this switch right here. I'll shut off the flashlight, and we'll just try to do some. So we got one speaker there. Plenty of volume. Now let's try the emergency band radio. Let's see what we get with that. Now I haven't messed with it, so.
At Greenwood, it was clear with a temperature of 62. It was partly cloudy with a temperature of 66 at Anderson and 66 at Clemson.
How awesome
at Columbia,
is
it was
that?
mostly cloudy with a temperature of 65.
Now to power it off, we'll just turn the knob down here. But that is pretty awesome, right? You get all these features. And again, right now, I'm just using it on that little internal battery that I cranked up like this that you saw me doing. So that is totally awesome. You know, we've had some bad weather up here and some hurricanes, so this would be a really handy item to have. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, stay safe, and we'll catch you next time. See you.